Hi everyone, welcome to Rajvan Education. శ్రీ వెంకటేశ్వర యూనివర్సిటీ 3 years LLB సబ్జెక్ట్స్ సెమిస్టర్ వైజ్ తెలుసుకుందాం. మొత్తం 6 సెమిస్టర్లు ఉంటాయి. ఫస్ట్ సెమిస్టర్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్. ఫస్ట్ సబ్జెక్ట్ కాంట్రాక్ట్స్ 1 జనరల్ ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ ఆఫ్ లా ఆఫ్ కాంట్రాక్ట్. సెకండ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ లా ఆఫ్ క్రైమ్స్ 1 IPC. థర్డ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ లా ఆఫ్ టార్ట్స్ అండ్ కన్జ్యూమర్ ప్రొటెక్షన్ లా. Fourth subject Constitutional Law 1. Fifth subject Family Law 1. First year second semester subjects. First subject Contract 1 Special Contracts. Second subject Constitutional Law 2. 3 subject Environmental Law. Fourth subject Jurisprudence. Fifth subject Administrative Law. Second year third semester subjects. First subject Property Law including Transfer of Property Act and Easement Act. Second subject Labor Law 1. Third subject Company Law. Fourth subject Public International Law. Fifth subject Interpretation of Statutes Optional 1. Second year fourth semester subjects. First subject Labor Law 2. Second subject Family Law 2. Third subject Taxation Law. Fourth subject Intellectual Property Rights Law Optional 2. Fifth subject Land Law including Tenure and Tenancy System Optional 3. Third year fifth semester subjects. First subject Civil Procedure Code and Limitation Act. Second subject Law of Crimes 2 Criminal Procedure Code. Fifth subject Law of Evidence. Fourth subject Banking Law Optional 4. Fifth subject Media Law with RTI Act Optional 4. Sixth subject Probation, Parole and Prison Administration. Seventh subject Local Self-Government including Panchayat Administration. Eighth subject White Collar Crime. Third year sixth semester subjects. First subject Practical Training 1 Drafting, Pleading and Conveyancing. Second subject Practical Training 2 Professional Ethics and Accounting System. Third subject Practical Training 3 Alternative Dispute Resolution. Fourth subject Practical Training 4 Moot Court Exercise and Internship. Fifth subject Penology and Victimology. Optional 6. నోట్ అని ఇచ్చి కొన్ని పాయింట్స్ ఇచ్చారు, అవి చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ స్టూడెంట్ హ్యాస్ టు చూస్ 2 papers out of 3 papers in generic elective in 5th semester. Students of other disciplines other than law course can choose 1 paper out of 2 in open elective in 5th semester to get additional credits. Duration of examination for each paper in the semesters in 3 hours except practical training. First and fourth and for practical training 3 the duration of examination is 1.5 hours only. Fourth point allotment of marks. All papers carry a total of 100 marks except the practical training papers 1 to 4. The allotment of marks is as follows: 80 marks are allotted to the semester end written examination. 20 marks are allotted to internal test breakup of which is as follows: first internal test 20 marks, second internal test 20 marks.